Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an image monochrome in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. After that we need to select an image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. After that, we need to select our preferred image, like so. And then afterwards, we are going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen, and we are going to select black and white. Here, you're going to have three options. The first one is Color Filter, the second one is Adjust, and the third one is Style. We're going to start with the third one. With the third one, you can select different styles, like so. We need to select dark. With the first one, you can filter out colors a lot more, like so. I'm going to select red. And if you want to adjust our image, we can adjust it with the second option. We can adjust three things on it. The brightness, like so. The second one is contrast, which will adjust the contrast of the image. Grain, which will add green to our image, like so. If you want to compare it to our original photo, we can click on the icon on the upper right corner, like so. And if we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon over here, or if we want to apply those changes, we can apply them with the check mark over here. We are going to apply them, of course. And if you want to save the image, you have to click on Export. It's going to show you four options. Share, which will share it to your friends on your preferred platform. Save, which will save our image. Export, which will export our image, but it will adjust it to what we set it on in the settings menu. And Export as will save our image to our preferred folder. I'm going to select Save, and we can view our image with View. I'm going to select Gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.